After his meal, the hedgehog went to the fence. His wife went up to the house on the hill. The hedgehog and the hare lined up. "All set," said the hare. "All set," said the hedgehog. "Run!" said the hare. The hare bounded off. He was a fast and powerful runner. In a flash he ran down the hill, past the well, and up to the house. When he got to the top of the hill, there was a hedgehog standing next to the house. I wonder how the hedgehog got up the hill next to the house so quickly. It was the hedgehog's wife, but she spoke in a deep, stern voice like a male hedgehog. "There you are," she said. "What took you so long?" The hare was stunned. "It can't be," he said. "How did you get here so fast? I will race you back to the fence." And so the hare ran back past the well and up the hill until he got back to the fence. And what did he see when he got there? A hedgehog! This time it was the male hedgehog. The hedgehog said, "There you are! What took you so long?" "No, no, no!" screamed the hare. The hare lost his temper. "It can't be! It can't be! I am faster! I will race you back to the house! You can't beat me!" So the hare ran back up the hill, past the well, up to the house. And what did he see when he got there? A hedgehog! This time it was the hedgehog's wife. In a deep, stern voice, she said, "There you are! What took you so long?" The hare ran to the fence and back 10 times, but it was the same all 10 times. At last he was so tired out that he fell on the ground next to the male hedgehog. He could not stop huffing and puffing. He frowned and said with a gasp, "I feel weak. You are faster and better than me." The hedgehog just smiled. All right, so you need to take out 10.4 from your packet, and I will read you the questions, and you'll just have to circle the right answer. Don't worry about the page number. I did include the story that we just read in your packet in case you need to refer back to it, so you can always just pause my video and then go back to it when you have the answer. So number 1 says, the hedgehog made a blank to trick the hare. Was it A plan, B, a tale, or C, a race? Circle one answer. Number 2, the hedgehog and the hare lined up to race at blank. A, the well, B, the fence, C, the house. Circle one answer. Number 3, next the hare ran past blank. A, the well, B, the fence, or C, the house. If you're not sure, go back in your story and check for number 2 and 3 so that you get the right answer. And number 4, the hare ran up to A, the well, B, the fence, or C, the house. Circle one answer. Now turn your paper over to the back. Number 5 says, why did the hare run to the fence and back 10 times? So you're going to write the hare ran to the fence and back 10 times because, and where this blank is, you need to fill it in. In number 6, why did the hedgehog smile in the end? You're going to write the hedgehog smiled in the end because, and fill in the blank. And that's all you have to do. Okay? If you have any questions, make sure that you are asking me when I speak to you during math time at 2 o'clock, okay? Have a good day. I'll see you soon. Bye.